Hello my friends, and this time let's take a detailed look at this 2013 Hyundai Accent GS. It is Accent's 4th generation. Car just got into the dealership, so it still has lots of parts wrapped in plastic. It is equipped with power locks, power windows with one touch-down feature on the driver's side, and a power heated mirrors. It has very simple but nice interior with color contrast front panel and gray cloth seats. Three-spoke plastic steering wheel. Simple dashboard with speedometer on the right and tachometer on the left. Trip computer display is in the middle. Driver's side window has an automatic one touch down feature. Steering wheel has a cruise control on the right side. "12-volt outlet, USB and iPod inputs, all in one area. Heat and air conditioning with different zones. Hazard lights. It is equipped with AM/FM radio, Sirius satellite XM radio, and it's also CD MP3 capable.
Caliente, Channel 150 is a red-hot mix of the biggest hits of...
Nice deep glove box. Driver and passenger side sun visors with integrated vanity mirrors. Sunglasses compartment. Manually tilt steering wheel. Traction control and echo switch is right by your driver's left knee. Fuel door trigger is on the floor. Manual driver seat adjustment. Six-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. Middle console with two integrated cup holders and the driver's side elbow support. And now let's open the hood and see the engine. This 2013 Hyundai Accent GS equipped with 1.6-liter inline-4 engine with dual continuous valve timing that produces 138 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque, and the letters GDI on the top of the engine stand for gasoline direct injection. Miles per gallon for this engine are 30 city and 40 highway. Plastic fuel door. And now let's check out the back seat. My height is 6'2", and sitting right behind myself, this is how much of a legroom I have. Back of the front seats covered in plastic with attached net pockets. Stain-resistant cloth on the door panels. It is an average size trunk for the car of this class. It has 40/60 collapsible back seats. There is no spare tire, only a tire repair kit. Pressed and painted metal rims with 4-wheel disc brakes. Alright guys, that was my short tour of 2013 Hyundai Accent GS. I hope you liked this video, leave your comments below, and see you next time.